बहुप्रतीक्षित गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज टैक्स बिल जीएसटी राज्यसभा से पास हो गया। पास होने के लिए जरूरी 2/3 वोटों की जगह वोट डालने वाले सभी 203 सांसदों ने पक्ष में वोट डाला। ध्वनि मत से पास होने के बाद बिल को नंबर वोटिंग के भी बहुमत से पास कर लिया गया। इससे पहले राज्यसभा में जीएसटी बिल पर लंबी चर्चा हुई। इस बिल के पास होने पर प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी ने ट्वीट कर देश और विपक्षी दलों को धन्यवाद दिया। वहीं अरुण जेटली ने भी ट्वीट कर सभी दलों को धन्यवाद दिया।
Everybody has voted in favor of the bill and almost every state government is on board in order to implement one of the most important taxation reforms in India itself.
इस चर्चा पर अलग अलग पार्टियों ने अपना विचार रखा। बिल के पास होते ही बीजेपी नेता रविशंकर प्रसाद ने जेटली का मुंह मीठा कराया। इस दौरान सभी बीजेपी नेताओं ने एक दूसरे के साथ खुशखबरी का इजहार किया। जेटली ने राज्यसभा में बताया कि इस बिल से राज्यों की आर्थिक स्थिति ज्यादा सुदृढ़ होगी।
Concept of the GST Council is Indian federalism at play in the best possible mode. 2/3 of the voting power in the GST Council belongs to the states. 1/3 of the voting power in the GST Council belongs to the center. The votes required to settle a particular issue are 3/4, and therefore necessary the GST Council has to work under a particular consensus, and therefore the center and the states will have to work together. The center will have a veto on the states, the state will have a veto on the center, and therefore this will be federalism at play, under which the GST Council itself would be then able to take its decisions. Sir, the whole object is that after this constitution amendment is approved, ratified by the states, the council would come into existence. Subsequently, 3 enabling laws, 2 by the central parliament and 1 by the state legislatures would have to be passed. The 2 central laws would be in relation to the central GST and the interstate GST. The state legislation would be with regard to the state GST. Needless to say, the council itself would discuss the drafts of those laws. Various modalities, including what would be the taxation structures, would then be discussed with the council. The operational modes, so that there is no overlapping left as far as the functioning of the GST is concerned, and that can be smoothened out, would all be areas which will then have to be smoothened out. And hopefully once the council approves those legislations would be brought before this honorable house. Parallelly, the IT backbone which is required to support the GST network is also being prepared. It's at reasonably advanced stages. And once these proposals are carried, we'll be able to put this in actual action as soon as we can pass these legislations, and the IT infrastructure for that is necessary. I hope this is done as quickly as we can. I am sure the enactment of the GST, as I have said earlier, will bring about the best as far as the economic management of this country is concerned in its federal forms. It will empower the states. It will increase the revenue of the states as also of the central government. It will try and dissuade, discourage, and bring down levels of evasion. It would ensure that there is no tax on tax. So the cascading effect of taxes in the value of goods itself is no longer there. And that could even make some of the products cost less. It would certainly give a boost as far as the economy is concerned, which is required at this very critical stage.
जीएसटी बिल पास होना मोदी सरकार के लिए एक बड़ी उपलब्धि है और इस बिल के पास होने से पूरे देश में एक टैक्स सिस्टम लागू हो जाएगा। NMF न्यूज की रिपोर्ट।